Associating dimensions with objects. If we go up into our options, we go to options and we go to user preferences, we'll see that we can have a checkbox for associating dimensions. We should always have it checked, make new dimensions associative, but there are times when someone could turn this off accidentally. Also, you can also make non-associative dimensions by clicking on dimensions and not using any object snap. I'm just going to pick on the grid and snaps here. I got my snaps turned on and I'm just picking. I'm not doing any object snaps. So if I were to stretch this object, right now I'm going to grab this by the grips, and you can see that my dimension does not update, and that's because it's non-associative. And I can prove that by right click and go into properties, and you can see it's set to no. Well, I can set to reassociate that, and we have a command called reassociate. I can go up to dimensions, hit the down arrow, and over here I have reassociate. I click on this command. It'll ask me to select the objects. I pick on the object, I hit enter, and it says specify first extension line, and I'll come over here and I'll first extension line origin, and what I'll do is I'll right click and snap and I'll say endpoint. And now I'm going to ask for the second extension line origin, and I'm going to shift right click and I'm going to say endpoint, and I'm going to snap on the end of this endpoint. And now this is associative. So if I were to stretch it, it would update. You can see where it says associative. And so now if I were to grab a hold of this and change it, you can see how my dimension will update with the drawing.